how to install or how to use add-ons on Kodi. Now, in this method, I'm just going to be showing you two specific steps as to how you can use and install Kodi add-ons. So to start, just head straight into your Kodi dashboard. From there, the very first thing that you can do is to download the direct add-ons that you can go on the Kodi itself. Just go into the gear icon, choose on download, and choose whatever add-ons that you would like to be added. And once you've downloaded it, install it, and it will automatically be reflected into My Add-ons. Next is to install and use add-ons that's going to be a third-party add-ons. So to start, go back into the gear icon, which will redirect you into your system settings. And then on the next page, choose on the system settings. Afterwards, click on add-ons and make sure that unknown sources files is enabled. Once you enable it, you will receive a warning message saying that add-ons will be given access to personal data stored on this device. Just simply allow it or choose on yes for you to be able to download and use third-party add-ons. Once you've enabled it, go back into My Add-ons, and from there, choose on Add-ons and Install from zip file. Once you hit on Install from zip file, all the files that you have or all the third-party add-ons that you have in Kodi will show up. You just have to choose on whatever you would like to be downloaded and install or you would like to use so that it will reflect into My Add-ons list. And that's basically it. It's how you install or use add-ons on Kodi.